Hi guys, my name is Moses from HISUN. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace your air filter.
All right, so this is where the air filter is located. We'll go ahead and unscrew this nut.
Side. Take the top off.
All right, so we'll go ahead and unscrew this little wing nut.
Go ahead and remove the filter. Go ahead and put this to the side. That's the old one, this is going to be the new one. Now go ahead and install the new filter. And then grab your wing nut and place that back on. Make sure you tighten it all the way. Perfect, go ahead and get the cap. You're going to put that on.
Go ahead and screw back on the nut.
And that's it. Easy as that. Thanks guys for watching. See you guys later.